Hello dear children, this is A. Mani Sharma, your favorite maths teacher, and you are watching Parallel Lines Part 5. Now in this particular part, you will watch how to divide a given line segment into a given ratio internally. First let us see this question. Draw a line segment AB equal to 5 centimeter and divide it internally into 6 equal parts. That means you have to draw a line first and then you have to divide that line into 6 equal parts. Now let us see how we can do that. First of all, we have to draw a line which is equal to 5 centimeter. So I am taking a ruler and then simply I will draw a line of 5 centimeter. You will also do the same. Suppose let us say that this is one point and this is one point. And these 2 points lie. When you join these 2 points, you get a line segment of 5 centimeters. Children, please pay attention. With your ruler, step 1, with your ruler, you will draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter. Okay, this is AB and this is of length 5 centimeter. Now, what will you do in the second step? Now, in the second step, you have to take a protractor. Okay, you have to take a protractor and then make an angle of, let me say, 60 degrees. Make an angle of 60 degrees and at point where you will make a line of where you will make a angle of 60 degrees at A, okay, and then you will draw a line from here to make an angle of 60. You can also take 30 degrees. Let me take 30 degrees here. You can take 30 degrees or 60 degrees, whatever you like, but you have to find out take out this angle on both sides, so you have to keep the same angle. Now see, this is 30 degree, okay, so I am drawing a line of from A which makes 30 degree. Now from here also you will make 30 degree. See, here also you will make 30 degrees and this angle will be below, and that this angle is above the line and this angle is below the line. If you properly observe now, here you have made Z. See, here you have made Z. That means this is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. Now, properly see children. Let me tell you very clearly. Properly you see and you will observe that in the notebook you have these type of lines, and see, you have to make 6 equal parts. So see, this is the line of the notebook. I am putting 6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will go ahead. You have to move it ahead. Where will you move it ahead? Let me take the scale and make it a little bit longer so that it comes for 6. Okay, so let me make this a little longer. So now you can simply make one more part here. So this is your 6th part. See, you have to make 6 line segments, so we are taking 6 parts. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. What you have to notice is you have to see these lines which are intersecting the pink one. So this one is the point, then this one is the point, 3rd point, then this one is the 4th point, this one is the 5th point, and this one is the 6th point, where your notebook lines match with this pink line. Now the same thing you have to do to the lower part. Now see, this one is the first point, that is B1, then this one is the second point, B2, then this one is B3, B4, B5, and this point is B6. You should carry this line forward so that you can make it properly done. Now what you have to do is 3rd point is you have to join. Now, how will you join the points? That is most important. Children, see properly. You have to join the points in this way. See, when you'll join A, you'll have to join A with the last, that is B6. See, this is the point you have to join. This point A will be joined to this point, last point. Similarly, here A6 will be joined with B, the last point. Now, in the same way, see, when you'll move ahead, A5 will come with B1. A5 will come with B1. A4 will come with B2. Now, like this, if you join, you'll get parallel lines. See, A3 will come with B3. A2 will come with B4. And A1 will come with B5. See now children, you have got parallel lines, and if you observe now, you will come to know that this is part 1, this one is part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 and part 6. And if you measure with scale, you will get how much is the distance between, how much is the distance of each part, how much is the length of each part. So these are the parts. So this is how you will internally divide a given line into 6 parts, 7 parts, 8 parts or 2/3 ratio, whatever is given. Okay, now let us see one more question. Yes, now let us see the next question. Draw a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter and divide it into 4 equal parts. What is the length of each part? Now children, first of all, as you all know, we have to make a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter. Let us say that this is a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter. Let us say this is A and this is B, and the length is 6.4 centimeters children. Okay, now after this, what is your second step? In the second step, you have to draw, you have to make an angle, equal angles at A and B to make alternate angles. See, from here I am making an angle which is 30 degree. Again from B I am again drawing an angle which is 30 degree to the lower side. At A I have drawn the angle to the upper side, and at B I am drawing the angle at the lower side. But keep in mind that both the angles are equal. This is 30 degree and this is 30 degree, as you have just seen. Now what you have to do is you have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So from here, this is 1, that is A1, this is 2, that is A2, this is 3. I think you are getting how I am taking. These are the rulers of your page. The point at which the ruler of your page intersect with the ray which is making 30 degree angle with AB is the point I am taking. Now this is A4. Now to the lower side, see, this one is B1, this one is B2, this one is B3 and this one is B4. Okay. Now the next part is join these points. How you will join? You will have to join A with the last point of B. So see, with A you have to join the last point of B, that is B4. So we will just take B4 and A and then we shall join it. Now see, this is like this. Now second, we will join again A4 with B. A4 with, I think something has gone wrong. Let us do it again. Let us do it again. Here something has gone wrong. See, a little, it will come like this. Okay, now this will be done. So you have drawn from A to B4, then from A4 to B. Okay, then you start joining A1 with B3. Then A2 with B2. Then A3 with B1. So you can see that you have got parallel lines, and these parallel lines have created four parts. See this part. If you put P, Q and R here, you'll see that you have AP, PQ, QR and RB. AP, PQ, QR and RB. Total length was equal to how much? It was 6.4. Okay, 6.4 centimeters. Total length was 6.4 centimeter. That was AB. AB was equal to how much? 6.4 centimeters. So each length, that is AP, will be equal to how much? AP, PQ, if you will see how much it will be. So each part will be equal to 1.6 centimeters, because you see 6.4 divided by 4 will give you 1 point. See, 4 ones are 4, 22.4 left, so you have put point, so 4 6 are 24, so 1.6 centimeter. So each part will be equal to 1.6 centimeters. Okay, you have to find out the length. You have to find out the length using your ruler and check whether it is coming 1.6 centimeters or not. So that's all in parallel lines part 5. Thank you. We shall meet again with some more questions on this topic, parallel lines.